Pulled over on the side of the road in the hoopty BMW, and the temperature is maxed, and yeah, the expansion tank is full. There's boiling sounds in the pipes. I guess we should wait for a little bit. I don't know why this is not enough air lifted out, or something, I don't know. The fan should be okay. Whatever, just BMW. It's good. Just wait a bit. Beautiful day here. We have a BMW. Repairs, of course, as always. He's stuck in there because it doesn't open. We fixed trunk, then we have the Civic. Awesome. So yeah. Faded paint here, faded paint there. So that's awesome.
Faded paint everywhere.
Yep. Now we're gonna work on some power steering. Need to tighten the belt because it's very flappy and it stops working when you turn it. So yeah, we need to tighten it. So we started tearing into the ventilation system and we want to check the wiper motor because it's broken, I guess. So we started pulling all of this off. Horrible, because well, first off we had to remove all these valves and crap, so we moved them like down here. And then we had to take off this plate behind here, and all the bolts are rusted, so we tried pulling it off and prying it off. Then ventilation, there's so much shit. Let's check out the ventilation. Very nice.
And very rusty.
Yeah. Very nice squeak. Well, I guess it works, so that's good at least, but we have to lube it up a bit. And I guess now that we took all of this crap off, we can finally remove the whole wiper assembly through here. It's a real pain in the ass, but hopefully now we can fix this shit. So we finally got the damn motor out. Jesus Christ, this took forever. Whoa. A bunch of plugs that disintegrate in your hand. And I guess now we have to test the motor if it works. It probably doesn't. If else, we need to lube all this stuff up and make it work again. So I guess we need to find the power now and give it some power. Went to get some Beamer parts. Well, there's a lot of Beamers. We picked up some BMW parts, which is awesome, but now we missed a turn and now we're on a weird walkway. It's for bikers only, and we're driving our car and there's holes. I don't know where we're going. It's like a field out there. But the Google Maps shows we can go this way, so that's weird. So okay, we're just gonna drive here. That's pretty stupid. So, yeah. Hopefully, I think there's civilization right there, so we're good. We hope.
Yeah. Oh yeah. Oh no. It's just a turn. God damn it. Whoa, what the fools?
Oh my god.
Oh, snap.
I think we're good now. There are cars here, so I think we're good.
They're just a parking.
Okay.
I got. Oh, yes.
Oh, shitholes. Okay, we have to go back to navigation.
Whoa!
So we put the new LKM module in it, and now we're gonna try the lamps. And here we go. Oh my god. Oh my god. The lights work. This light stopped working? What? Brand new wiper motor mechanism, so we're gonna try it out. Hopefully it works. Oh my god, look at this power. Awesome. Everything works. This one is only one plug. Our old one had two plugs and two motors for no reason. This one's from a 5 from an E34, but it works. We bought a new wiper mechanism of a E34 because of course BMWs, they all have the same parts. And as it turns out, between the two wiper thingies, it's actually like 1 centimeter of a difference between a 7 series and a 5 series. So we bought this for no reason, well, at least the motor. So now we're trying to disassemble the old linkage, because we have to make it move, because this is so seized we couldn't hammer it on each side. So we're just gonna show you how hard these are to get out. We took the safety pin off, but yeah, needless to say, it doesn't come out. So we're gonna do a different method. We're gonna do this, and then we need to use some wood back here and some other stuff. So we're gonna press it out with the vise. We did it with the other side too. We just have to figure out a nice system to get this out. God damn it, this one won't come out. We did it on the other side, it's out, but this guy is a real asshole. We took the wiper motor off the other assembly, which is from the E34 that doesn't fit, and we put it on the E32. It kinda fits, I think. But these were rusted in the holes, so the mechanism wouldn't move, so we got it out. Now we're sanding it down, and we're gonna use some grease on them, put it back in, and hopefully everything is gonna work, so we can put it back in the car and finally start assembling the car, which might take some time. Yeah, that ventilation, god damn it. Put the new motor on our old assembly. We also sanded down these holes, so now we can put a lot of grease in there. They have like holes, so yeah, I'm gonna put a lot of grease. We're just gonna use graphite like for brakes. Should be good. We're gonna use some. Oh, that's a bit much. Nice, yes, nice. Put it on, then get this in, screw them up, and then we're gonna try to get this on the car. We finally put the ventilation in, clip the motor back in, wipers are on, everything. Now we need to put the relay for ventilation back in. Now we can try if anything rubs, if everything works. So then we can finally put all of this crap back together. It's so much work and it's so annoying, because BMW decided to do it in the worst way possible. Okay, we got relay and ventilation. Or wipers. They work. Oh! So much wind! There's so much dirt in there. Works good. Only works on one speed though, so oh well. So of course there's something still broken, so like the motor that changes the inside-outside position down there, well, it's broken, just makes some noises, so we just use some silver tape on the cable for the flaps, so you get all the air all the time, because, well, we want all the air all the time. And I guess this is fixed now, so we're just gonna put it back together and forget this ever happened. So after screwing around with the BMW ventilation, we just give up and we eat some nice fresh burek, because, well, of course we need to eat burek. Duh. First real wiper taste. Oh, that's not good. Nope. They went over this. Yep. I think we need it to go around once, and then we need to put on the wipers. So yeah, it kind of went just like up here and then down. Oops. Let's fix that.
Then down too much.
We fixed the wipers. They now work good. Perfect. What? We just took this plastic off, then we loosened it on the motor, and we moved the mechanism a bit and tightened it back. And now it's perfect.
No, it's not. Now it's perfect.
Yes. So we bled the coolant system again, and look at that temperature, nicely red. So we have no idea why this is doing this shit, but we're gonna stop for it to cool down, and we need to check the hoses if they're cold or hot or whatever. Oh, what a nice sunny day to be outside. junk. Yeah, the bottom hose is cold.
Again.
Yeah. Of course, we have to make it legit, so we need to put the sticker on.
It will be there.
Very nice.
Okay, that's it.
We will now try and fix the cooling issue on the BMW, so we're taking the thermostat housing off. We're gonna take the thermostat off, and then we're gonna drive around, see if it still spikes or if it stays cool, so we know if it's the thermostat, otherwise it's something else. This is the easiest thing you can try. And hopefully we don't make a mess on my driveway again. Once again, in the red. What a nice stop to wait to cool down. Let's see what's up with the goddamn hoses. And hose. Yeah, it's cold. So obviously there's no coolant going around the motor. So the radiator's ice cold here, so either a block or the water pump is not doing its job, so junk, gotta wait for cool down.